So good morning guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are going to hit the road to Copenhagen. We're waiting for some friends which pick up us in about a quarter hour, so let's get it. So it's a prolonged weekend and the airport is filled with people, pumped up with people. There are so many people now checking in and getting to their planes. 7 o'clock, well, it's a good thing. As soon as you travel to another city, it's probably the best hour to go. So if you're close by in an hour, then you're either in Copenhagen as we do or in London, and then you're ready for the day. So, see you later! So we just arrived in Copenhagen. It was a short flight, 1 hour, very nice weather, great stuff, so ready for Copenhagen. So we are now in the first amazing place here in Copenhagen, and that's Nijhaven. Nijhaven is the place where you can make your boat tours, or book your boat tours. We already saw about 3 or 5 different boat tours getting around, so just have a little look. Here it is. So we finished off our boat tour in Copenhagen and now we are hungry. So the whole morning flying, the whole morning boat tour, and now we go to Almanach and have a little lunch. Unfortunately Almanach was closed and now we're going to Tervehallen, which is also a good option. So have a look. Nice thing. Filled with food, and to get us going we need a little bit of coffee, yeah? So let's get to the coffee place here at Tervehallen. So hello guys, I'm up here at the round tower and we just took a little time lapse over here, and we did it in a very strange way. So if you go to the Instagram you will see how we got to the time lapse. Really a funny thing. We gave everything for this time lapse, just have a look. So see you later. Christiansborg is the seat of the 3 powers of Denmark: the Danish Parliament, the Danish Prime Minister Officer and the Supreme Court of Denmark. The royal palaces in Denmark are all open to visitors. So let's get in. After Christiansborg, we went to a restaurant called Host. Host is the Danish word for the harvest. As the name reveals, great Nordic ingredients and seasonal greens sets the agenda at Host. So just look at the plates and enjoy once you get here. So guys, we were just at that restaurant and it was excellent. To close the evening, we went to a place called Hygge. And Hygge is famous for their delicious drinks. On the next morning it was a little rainy. Nothing to prevent us, we then moved on to Rosenborg Castle. And after Rosenborg Castle, we enjoyed the botanical gardens and its views. To then move on to Amalienborg and the Change of Guards. And after quite some walking, we decided to sit on the sun deck and enjoy the sun. We went to a restaurant called Cool. If you were at school with Cool, it would be the kid who could do odd, quirky things, who danced unlike anyone else, liked music that everyone else thought weird, could dress just how he wanted and yet, irritatingly, looked a whole lot better than anyone else while doing it. Next morning it was time to say goodbye to Copenhagen.